Hi, welcome to Anything Goes. My name is Amanda, and today I am participating in an open playlist called Bridgerton Light I can't even say the word Academia Aesthetic. And it's also to kick off the second series for the show Bridgerton. This is hosted by Michelle, and if you haven't checked out her channel, you need to go check out her channel because she has a lot of great content. Her channel link, along with the playlist link, will be in my description box below. So some of the ideas I got from watching Bridgerton, some came from watching Downton Abbey, and then some came from just researching what this whole light academia aesthetic means. So the first DIY that I'm making is a pocket watch, because in Bridgerton, the eldest brother that is playing the head of the family, he's always checking his pocket watch and bringing out his pocket watch. So again, to keep with my use my stash before cash that I'm following for the whole year, I had to find something that would open and close like a pocket watch. I wanted to originally use like a powder compact, but I don't have those, and any that I have or had empty of, they were rectangular, so they didn't have the right shape. But I found this eyeshadow that was from Lancome, and I knew that it was old, so I didn't mind sparing it for this project. And I found some pocket watch designs for the front and the back of the pocket watch and the actual inside of the pocket watch with the numbers and the time. Obviously, it's a decorative piece. It does not work. I printed the images out using my little thermal printer, and that's already on sticker paper, so I just stuck it on to the eyeshadow case and eventually Mod Podged everything on to the eyeshadow case, making it a pretty cute little pocket watch. Now, I haven't quite figured out or mastered the technique of putting any type of paper on a kind of a globe style like the pocket watches. So now I didn't even know this thing existed, but now that I do know, I will be looking for every day for, if there's a pen, pencil, and that kind of stuff. So now the next, I'm still working on the pocket watch. So this is just some glitter vinyl in gold from Dollar Tree. I love using their vinyl to just cut out shapes or cover an entire box. I did try using it in my Joy, and it works as far as I can tell just fine, because I wanted to see how well it did work in the Cricut Joy, because most of the time they advertise that it's, for the bigger machines. But I used some red from Crafter Squares and made some red hearts for Valentine's Day, and it came out very easily. It worked just fine. So I don't see why spending $8-9 a roll when I can get double the amount for $1.25. I apologize so much. I had to get rid of most of the footage because it was not downloading from iCloud, and none of my phone chargers are working. So I'm going to have to take my phone to the shop tomorrow to get it looked at. So I need to get this sent to my MacBook. I need to airdrop it there so that way I can upload it to YouTube. So I am going to stop talking and there'll just be music playing the rest of the way. But most of the footage is gone, but the end result with the final setup, it's well worth missing the footage. So thank you so much for watching, and for all the collaborators that participated in this. I didn't even know anything about the show or about these two different decor styles, the light and dark academia. I still can't say it right. So with that being said, have a safe week, and I will see you guys in the next video.